Welcome back to Car Reviewpedia, your go-to destination for all things automotive. Today, we've got something truly special for you, the 2025 Lexus LFA. Now, you might be familiar with the legendary LFA from its first iteration, but this 2025 model takes everything to the next level, combining stunning performance, advanced technology, and timeless design into one amazing package. Let's dive into what makes this car such a masterpiece. First things first, let's talk about that engine. Under the hood of the 2025 Lexus LFA, you'll find a naturally aspirated 4.8-liter V10 engine that screams with power. Delivering an incredible 560 horsepower and 470 pound-feet of torque, this engine has the kind of sound and feel that will send chills down your spine. The revs climb rapidly, and the engine note is pure music to the ears, crisp, sharp, and aggressive. Lexus has really nailed the balance between power and refinement here. If you're looking for an engine that offers that visceral, racecar-like experience, the LFA doesn't disappoint. The performance of the 2025 Lexus LFA is also complemented by an incredibly responsive 6-speed automated manual transmission, which ensures you get the most out of every shift. It's fast, smooth, and gives you a sense of complete control over the car. Couple that with a lightweight carbon fiber monocoque body and advanced suspension system, and you get a car that feels nimble, planted, and precise whether you're on the track or carving up a twisty mountain road. But let's not forget about the design. The 2025 LFA retains that iconic, aerodynamic shape that made the original LFA so visually striking. The sharp lines, aggressive stance, and sculpted curves make it impossible to ignore. Lexus has refined this design, making it even more modern and sleek while keeping the essence of what made the LFA such a standout supercar. Inside, the cabin is a blend of luxury and performance, with high-quality materials like leather and Alcantara, a minimalistic layout, and the latest tech features. It's a cabin that speaks to the driver-focused nature of the car, with everything designed to enhance the driving experience. When it comes to handling, the LFA is a beast. Thanks to its rear-wheel drive setup, the car offers razor-sharp steering and perfect balance. The active rear spoiler and dynamic stability control systems work in harmony to keep you glued to the road, providing confidence at high speeds and tight corners. The braking system is equally impressive, offering exceptional stopping power, even when you're pushing the car to its limits. Technology in the 2025 Lexus LFA has also seen some serious upgrades. The infotainment system is intuitive, with a large, high-resolution display, and features like